Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we're going to take a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Also, don't forget to check out our 25,000 subscriber giveaway video to see if your name was drawn as a winner of a TipRanks subscription or some TipRanks swag. Okay, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the green this morning. We had the Dow futures up 0.52%, S&P 500 futures up 0.55%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.57%. Shares of the Workhorse Group plunged to a yearly low of $7.05 after the company updated its operating and commercialization plan to transition from an advanced tech startup to an efficient manufacturing company. After receiving customer feedback on its C1000 vehicle's payload capacity, Workhorse identified several enhancements to the production and design of these vehicles. These enhancements are aimed at increasing the vehicle's payload capacity, and so the company has decided to halt further deliveries and recall 41 of the previous delivered vehicles. Furthermore, the new leadership team has recognized the need for additional testing and modification of existing vehicles to certify the C1000 vehicles under the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards. The stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 67%, mostly because shares have fallen so much below these price targets. Global tech firm PCAR has partnered up with FedEx and Aurora, an autonomous tech driving company, to launch the commercial pilot of autonomous trucks in line-haul trucking operations. Under the agreement, PCAR's autonomously enabled trucks with Aurora's self-driving technology are to haul FedEx loads between Dallas and Houston along the I-45 corridor. PCAR and Aurora signed an agreement in January to develop, trial, and sell autonomous Kenworth and Peterbilt trucks. As per terms of the agreement, PCAR's autonomous vehicle platform has been integrated with the Aurora Driver to boost the operational efficiency and safety of PCAR's customers. The PCAR stock is rated a hold currently with an average upside of 22%. Electric Last Mile Solutions has secured a binding order for 1,000 units of its urban delivery vehicle. Electric Last Mile Solutions is a commercial electric vehicle solutions company that designs, manufactures, and sells last-mile delivery and utility vehicles. The pure-play electric vehicle company has already started production of the commercial electric vehicle, with deliveries scheduled to begin on September 28th. The start of production marks an important milestone in the ELMS push to deliver commercial EVs into the U.S. market. The ELMS stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 92%. Shares of the Weyerhaeuser Company jumped a few percent after the company announced a special interim supplemental dividend of 50 cents per share and a new share buyback authorization of $1 billion. Weyerhaeuser manufactures, distributes, and sells forest products and is the world's largest private owner of timberlands. The interim cash dividend is payable on October 19th to holders of record as of October 5th and is consistent with the company's commitment to enhance shareholder returns. Additionally, the newly authorized share buyback program of up to $1 billion replaces the existing $500 million share buyback program previously authorized. Their stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 15%. And tire manufacturer Goodyear announced that it will adopt renewable energy at its Goodyear plants across Europe and Turkey. The move is the first of a multiple-phase plan to procure 100% renewable energy at all of its facilities across Europe, Middle East, and Africa by the end of 2022. With the commencement of this plan, Goodyear will purchase around 700,000 megawatt-hours of renewable energy. A reduction of the company's carbon footprint of up to 260,000 tons is anticipated by this shift. Their stock is currently rated a hold with an upside just shy of 7%. Now, moving over to some notable earnings reports. Before the bell this morning, we're expecting to hear from the Darden Restaurants Group, Rite Aid, and Accenture. And in the after hours, we'll be hearing from Nike, Costco Wholesale, and Vail Resorts. Yesterday, we heard from BlackBerry, who posted a better than expected loss, and revenues also came in above estimates. The company reported a fiscal second quarter net loss of $144 million, which amounts to 25 cents per share compared to 4 cents per share in the year-ago period. After adjusted, though, this worked out to a loss of 6 cents per share when estimates were for a loss of 7 cents. Their revenue did fall from $259 million a year ago to $175 million, but that did beat estimates of $166.8 million. Analysts currently rate the BlackBerry stock a moderate sell with an average downside of 8%. We also heard from adhesives manufacturing firm H.B. Fuller, who came in with better than expected revenues for their third quarter. Their net revenue increased 20% year over year to $827 million, beating the street's estimates of $797.5 million. Their adjusted earnings per share rose 4% year over year to 79 cents, coming in line with analyst expectations. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 21%. So let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning appear to be led by Raymond James Financial, whose stock is up sharply following a 3-for-2 stock split. Trading under the ticker RJF, they appear to now be up 51%, followed by National Instruments under NATI, who's up 9%, and the BlackBerry stock under the ticker BB up 8%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Spire. Under the ticker SPIR, their stock is currently down 9% following massive gains earlier this week. They're followed by Aluminum of China under ACH, currently down 4.6%, and Viavi Solutions under VIAV, down 4%. So that's going to be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you back here next time.